Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, guys, we're doing problem number 124 of Chapter 5 in Chemistry Central Science. So we see a precipitation reaction between AgNO3 and NaCl. So by using the data in Appendix 3, calculate delta H for the net ionic reaction. So we have this reaction, and it's going to be our net ionic reaction. Ag plus Cl minus yields AgCl. So we're using Hess's law, delta H of reaction is equal to delta H of products minus delta H of reactants. So minus 127.0 minus 167.2 plus 105.90. Now we're going to put this into our calculators and get our delta H value. That's negative 65.7 kilojoules per mole. So they want to know, so for part B, they want to know what would you expect the value of delta H of the overall molecular equation to be compared to that net ionic equation. I would expect it to be the same, because if you were to put this molecular equation to a full ionic equation, and then into your net ionic, just like how US spectral ions are going to cancel out on the left and the right, their delta H values are going to cancel out as well. So that's going to create that's going to have a that's going to make it so that delta H for our net ionic is going to be the same for our overall reaction. So now for part C, they want us to use the results from part A and B to determine the value of delta H for AgNO3. Okay, so we know what the overall delta H is going to be, negative 65.7. We know what our products are. Our AgCl and NaNO3 minus NaCl one plus the delta H value we're looking for. So minus 65.7 is equal to minus 127 minus 446.2 minus negative 407.1 equal to minus 166.1 minus delta H of 1. So we're going to move 65.7 over onto the right and delta H over to the left. So delta H of AgNO3, that's going to be minus 100.4 kilojoules per mole. That's going to be the delta H information for our AgNO3.